io mi sposto, vado in mezzo ai miei due corazzieri, eccoli qui, e come sempre alla protagonista della puntata chiedo nome,
Lara.
cognome,
Lo Carmine.
in arte,
Lara.
profilo destro, brava, profilo sinistro, brava, primo piano, in art di Cristina Aguilera. È il momento di goderci assieme il provino di Lara Lo Carmine. 3, 2, 1, vai!
Seems like it was yesterday when I saw your face. You told me how proud you were when I walked away. I'm sorry, I know when I'm not today. I want all you in my arms. I will tear the pain away. Thank you for all you've done. Forgive all your mistakes. There's nothing I want to do to hear your voice again. Sometimes I want to call you, but I know you won't be there. No, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do. And I've hurt myself, my heart in you. Someday I feel broken inside, but it wanted me. Sometimes I just want to hide, cause it's you I miss. And it's so hard to say goodbye when it comes to this. No, but when the others roll, what if every other said? Are you looking down upon me? Are you proud of who I am? There's nothing I want to do to hear just one more change, to look into your eyes and see you looking back. No, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do. And I've hurt myself. Oh, if I had just one more day, I would tell you as much that I miss you since you've been away. No, it's dangerous. It's out of the line to try to make I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do, and I've hurt myself. My heart